Okay, so for these notes for problem number 3, part A says find the x-intercepts. And so what we're going to have to do with this one is we're going to have to factor it. So y is equal to n squared plus 10n plus 16. Now there is no common factor in this case, but I want to write out, remember when we go back to factoring, write out the factors of 16. So in this case 16 is like 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. And I'm looking for a combination that will equal, and this is 1 and 1, that will equal to 10. In this case, it's like 2 and 8, like this. And so what we would get is y is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 8. Now, for this, once I've factored it, I'm trying to find the x-intercepts. And so that's going to be 0 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 8. And then when we solve each of these to equal to 0, we should get x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to negative 8, which means our x-intercepts are 2, 0 and negative 8, 0, like that. So when I plot these, I would go to negative 2, 0, and then negative 8, 0, just like this. Now to find the line of symmetry, I just find the point in the middle. In this case, it's -5. And so this is my line of symmetry right here. X is equal to -5. Let me actually go back and write in. This is negative 2, 0 and negative 8, 0. Now to find the vertex, what I'm going to do, I'll do this in green. The vertex is going to be somewhere on my line of symmetry right here. And so I know that my x has got to equal -5 for the vertex. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the equation. In this case, I usually find it's easier to use the factored equation like this. Y is equal to x plus 2 times x minus 8. And y is equal to, in place of x, I'm going to put -5 plus 2 times -5 plus 8, like that in there, which is y is equal to -3 times 3. And y is equal to -9. So my coordinate is x is -5, -9. And so I usually find it's much easier to do it in the factored form, though you can always do it with the original as well. And that would look something like y is equal to -5 squared plus 10 times -5 plus 16. And if you plug that in, that'd be 25 minus 50 is -25 plus 16, -9, like this. Either way, all right, I'm going to erase all this so it looks nice and neat for our notes. Either way you do it is fine. So now that I have my -5, -9, so -5, -9 is right here. And then to graph, we've already graphed our line of symmetry. To graph the equation down like this, or the function, it looks something like that.